Oh, is it really that sweet?
Wow, wow, wow.
Morning, guys.
Hi!
Oh, may
Good morning.
Buen camino!
Crossing the street, and our entire other half of our group came from the opposite side of the city. I don't know, pretty funny.
Good morning, everybody. Buen camino.
Buenos dias.
We are on day 7 of our pilgrimage to Santiago. And we are headed to Najera,
Yep.
going 27 kilometers, right?
29.
29, even worse. And we stayed at a donativo last night. And that was the most interesting experience I've ever had. And I walked out.
It was a very Catholic thing. We're of course both Christians and want to spread the love of Christ. I just have never been to a Catholic mass before, and it was like mass, but even more traditional, ritualistic, and strange.
It was very strange.
At least so.
But breakfast this morning was nice, and we actually slept a decent amount, and everybody was pretty quiet. So we really, overall, not too bad.
Yep.
Donativo albergues are usually in a church or, headed up by volunteers, and you leave a donation at the albergue, and that is how much you pay to sleep there. You can't really complain because you are not even paying for what you're getting. So they're usually very accommodating, very sweet people.
Yeah.
We love going there, but this one was just a little strange.
It was an experience.
It was just a little weird. Okay, well, we're hitting the trail now. So we'll see you guys soon.
So you currently live in Connecticut?
Yeah.
Is it work that brings you there, or you just?
Yeah, no, I moved back to hometown.
Okay.
I live in
Met Lincoln from Connecticut, and having some great conversations, walking out of Grañón. It's beautiful. Came into this big lake, walking around. Gonna start heading into the mountains towards Najera.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible. Those are so good.
You must be this tall to walk the Camino. I think that would fit in my pack.
Very cold. I know. I know.
Up there jamming. What'd you say?
It's a snail colony. They're having a meeting.
Hey!
Buongiorno!
Last ascent of the day. Then the rest should be dropping down into Najera. We're pretty much over today. I don't know why, we just both not super jazzed. It's just been cloudy and muggy and walking by a highway all day. Last little push, get in, drink a beer, get a coffee, something, get in some clean clothes. We are about done for today.
It's the compost is here for the American pilgrims.
Oh,
Yeah. How alone? Never, never walk alone. People say the time after time
Thank you, brother. Buen camino. Adios, buen día. We needed that.
Yeah, we needed that.
What did I just record?
Like, we're both struggling, we're both, we're so tired, and then we turn a corner and there's this beautiful Italian man just singing You'll Never Walk Alone on his guitar, and we're like, oh my god.
Yeah, I'm glad I have sunglasses on because I definitely started crying.
Oh, it's so powerful. Camino provides. Man.
Beautiful. Finally get some views today, like we said earlier.
No highways.
No highway. Just exhaust from trucks being blown in our face. See the mountains in the background heading towards Najera, which is full of like red rock clay. It's a really, really, really pretty town right next to some mountains. There's a river running by it from what I remember. We're very excited to get into town. Shouldn't be too much longer. Thankfully we got the little Italians in front of us, and no more uphills. We're kind of over it, but we're making the best of it. It'll be great. Hola, buen día.
Sitting outside by himself, watching life. Oh.
That one? $7 and 73. Got the goods.
After a long day. Good morning, guys. It is day 9 on the Camino, and last night we got a private room. Honestly, it was $5 more than just to get 2 bunks, so it was kind of worth it. So I'll show you guys around a little bit. We have like a little balcony, and this is our view through the street. Nothing special. And then here's the room. Say good morning.
Good morning.
We're still packing up, getting ready, but it was really nice to have some personal space. We haven't been able to just like be a couple like privately in like a week. So it's been really nice to just spend time together.
So we're heading to Santo Domingo today, Santo Domingo de la Calzada, and we don't really know how many kilometers it is because we're stopping before the normal, like, stopping point. It's somewhere around 20 kilometers. Easy day today after doing, back-to-back almost 30-kilometer days. We'll be feeling good.
Private concert. Thanks for coming.
Grace is feeling lovely this morning after actual sleep.
And no coffee. I didn't have any coffee today. It's all grace.
No coffee, great sleep. I'm still trying to wake up a little bit. And it's a beautiful day. Got rained on, absolutely pissed on last night. What did you say? Grace is not having fun. Got my hoodie hanging off the back of my backpack to dry while we're walking. She's got her little overalls hanging out. Gonna make our way. See you shortly.
Through the crowd. Because I need you. I could fall into the sky.
This is my wife, everybody. Every single morning.
Would pass me by.
And then at night, she's falling asleep, and I have that energy.
So I could just see you tonight.
You got the kebabs last night.
We got the kebabs.
We got the kebabs.
We lost you.
I know.
I looked like turned around like, where did they go? And then
We went across the bridge. We're like, they're gone. We gotta go. This is pouring.
Yes, a frame, yes.
Met up with Mateo. Oh my gosh. Absolute chaos. Oh no! No, it's just.
No, the phone, no, please. No, shit! You were waiting for this.
I was waiting for you to fall.
Okay, I think today we will not drink anything.
Look at graffiti stuff.
You see Santo Domingo in the distance. Walking through these beautiful wheat fields. We thought we were going to stop in Santo Domingo, have an easy day, 20K-ish. Everyone else is pushing forward to the next town, Grañón, where we're going to stay in a monastery. After having a private room, it was amazing, but we're missing our friends.
Just even take a little snack break before we
Going 7 kilometers. Rest day today.
How is it? How did it end?
Small pizza, small sandwich, everything was with bread. And I said, no, I want the fresh one with the...
Oh!
So he was not good, right?
So he stayed up.
So they went.
My feet hurt. Tired of walking.
Aww. We made it. 29K today.
What?
We made it. Buen camino. So it says we have 564 more kilometers.
Jesus' bakery.
Some shoes, so signs of life. Okay.
Oops. Botas aquí. Buenos días. Where's Lulu? Made it to the Donativo albergue. Got the kitchen right here, everything we need. Stove, another stove. Whatever you choose to pay for the night, once again, put it in there. Huge, huge trust policy here. Where we're sleeping tonight. Super comfy beds, eh?
Woo! How'd it happen, babe?
I'll room next to you.
Yeah.
On, actually.
It's actually so comfy.
They actually, yeah.
Probably 15. How much it costs. Okay, so we got a sandwich, a bocadilla, and that was $4, €4, I apologize. And then we got the sausage, or chorizo, pizza chorizo, which was $2.50. The beer was $2.50, mine was $2.10, and then the snacks, the little bag of chips we got was $1.20. Altogether, $12 for the spread. Not bad.
Okay.
Gracie over there, picking off fruit from every tree, going to town.